Yes, David, that's David. Come down, guys.
Let's go to the playground.
David, Diamond.
This is Grandma
We'll fall
Toto.
inside here now. I need to change.
Grandma Toto. Nature. We are at LUFASI Park, Lekki. LUFASI Park, Lekki.
So when I say LUFASI, it's love in nature. LUFASI, love in nature. Love in nature.
LUFASI.
All right. Nature, the good health, and nature is God. God is nature. All right. So when I'm singing, to praise God. Okay. LUFASI, love in nature. Love in nature. LUFASI. We are going for nature. We are going. Very cool, and it's also medicinal. So we breathe in fresh air from LUFASI for good health. Okay, so let's breathe in.
What kind of medicine, what kind of ailment does it
Mixture. So we have more of the ant hills in the park. This artifact about the ants. Papa tortoise and that mama tortoise over 100 years plus. So tortoises are reptiles. They dig the ground to lay their eggs, and we feed them with cabbages, cucumber, watermelon, carrot, etc. Tortoises can live up to 500 years, even to 1,000 years. Why? Because they have a low lifespan. And please don't forget the people that live longer than any human are the Japanese. So I will show us what Japanese are doing to live longer than any human, and what triggers me to say no to them last 5 years ago. This is wonderful. Let's see. And now we are about to see was owned by Mr. Alaki, the man that so the family place is called on LUFASI to come and take the animal to the house. Okay, so this is baboon monkey.
Bum babu.
All right, let's go.
Let's go, boys.
What amazed me is the tortoise.
And they have a very sharp teeth. No, don't worry. Because you're not going close. Yes, that's why. So they shoot and they have a very sharp teeth. And they, any animal. Yeah. So this one is green velvet monkey.
David, what's that?
Green velvet monkey. The species is green velvet monkey. And she named this one Jonathan.
Jonathan Nkai.
So she named this one Stella. So Stella is green velvet monkey. Okay? So we have the Mona monkey. Look at this word and the spelling. All of these things that I'm talking about. The Mona monkey.
Not with your name.
Mona.
Mona.
This one is Mona.
Okay, the species is what? Mona monkey. This big one is Jackie. So Jackie gave birth to Valley. And the baby one is Castina. Okay?
Castina.
Yes. All right, so please, this is Rocky. By name, she named this one Rocky. So look at it. So superstar number one. All right, the red cap. Actually, why you're seeing this sign here, there were two. The male and the female one. But we lost the male. Three weeks, this is the most now, the cobra came out. Is it nice? Yeah, no, cobra is very big.
David, stop.
So now, people can buy and plant within Nigeria. We are into tree planting, LUFASI and NG here. All right, and we name the forest after this tree. So yeah, the field on what? Leave, jump buckle, good. That's it. He tried. So, which one? Feed on what? Dead bodies. So they help to clean the environment so that we can have the fresh air that we break our what? Oxygen. So that's how we prevent what? Pandemic. Simple. So now we're about to climb walk on the bridge called Lake Mora Bridge, named after my famous late mother. Okay? Alright, please don't forget this is the singing tour guide in LUFASI Nature Park. And I have so many songs for nature. Okay? Nature is the mother take care of.
Don't look at
Just like old patients.
This is
It's more than four.
this is
about
grandma
150 years.
turtle. Grandma tortoise. I get the wine.
The turtle has a short lifespan.
Grandma tortoise.
Grandma torch.
David, that's David. Come down, guys.
Baby torch. Go to the playground.
David, Diamond.
This is grandma
You fall
turtle.
inside here now. I need to change.
Grandma
This
turtle.
now power.
Bye turtle. See you. Mona, go and sit over there. Over there. David, follow. Sit on that pink chair. Well, give them to drink too.
I want to go to the playground.
Drink first. You have to feel refreshed before going.
Yeah, come and say this is like tastes like cold water. I want to paint.